Hello, you want to see how I shape this peanut soup? Watch this video so you don't miss out. Hello. Welcome back. This is Lady B. How you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing safe. In this video, I'm going to be cooking peanut soup. Here is my tribe. I'll add it to my pot. One seasoning cube. Half teaspoon of salt. Onion. Half teaspoon of blended dried pepper, powdered onion, nutmeg. I'll add in hot water and I'll cover and cook it for 30 minutes. Here is 30 minutes. I'll add in the remaining of my meat, our body. I'll stir together and cook for 30 minutes. And after that, the meat is cooked. I'll remove it and start the soup process. I added in 2 full spoons of palm oil, onion. I gave it a good mix. Powdered onion. I added in my blended peanuts. I gave it a good mix. I added in the cooked meat. I gave it another good mix. Added in my bonga fish that I washed with hot water, my catfish that I washed with hot water, my stockfish that I soaked overnight. So I gave it a good mix. I added in my bitterleaf that I washed with hot water. I mix it thoroughly. I combine it thoroughly. So now I'll add in my meat stock. I gave it a good mix. And now I will taste for salt. The salt was okay, so now I'll add in more oil. And I will cover and cook it again for another 25 minutes. For those of you always coming back to watch me, I really appreciate your love and support. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to the channel. Turn on the post notification so that anytime I upload, you'll be notified. So I added in my blended crayfish and I added in my fish. I'm going to cook it on a low heat for 5 minutes. Here is after 5 minutes. Our peanut soup is ready to be enjoyed. You can pair it with any swallow of your choice. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.